Okay, this is a Scion AX. We wanna open the dashboard and take everything out. So we can start from here. We have to take those sides out. There's some screw under those things, and then we can take everything. Let's start doing this. Be careful, don't break those pins. Slow. Now this one. This side. You can pull it. Now, wherever you want, you can see the screws. So for now, I want to change the bulb for these lights over here. Take the screws out. Then this one doesn't have a screw. So now we can start pulling out this part too. Don't damage the, don't scratch it, don't damage. Oh, we have to take this out, the temperatures, and there's more screw over there, that's why. There's another one here, and there's another one here. The screws out. Another one. Now we can start pulling this out. See? And so the whole thing came out. Be careful with the wires in the back. There's all the wires over here. Be careful with that. Alright, so what I wanna do is to change the bulbs, the light. So this is one over here, this is one light, this is another one right here, and there's another one in this hole right here. There's another one. So you twist this a little bit and the light came out. You see the light? That's the light right there. So that's how you can change the board to put the new lights on the dash board for Scion AX 2005.